Good morning, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another episode of Summer Shredded. Today marks exactly 3 months in starting, which is quite exciting. So we just did an in-body scan machine to tell us about our body fat, our body muscle percentage, and I'm going to go over that later on in the video to show you comparing from month 1 from month 3. I'll also show you my physique, how my physique changed from month 1 to month 3 and how I've done it. But first, this video is going to be a full day of eating because I think it'll be quite nice to show you how my foods change as I've got deeper into the cut. Having said that, we're back on the wagon after a few heavy weekends of drinking and all that sort of stuff. So, like I said, the progress isn't as good as last year's summer shred, but this summer shred, nonetheless, it's still been successful. So, we are 1 month out from the end of the diet. This is how the diet is looking. Let's do meal 1. It's currently 11:15. I am fasted. I've been at work since 5:30. I've been up since 5, so really good little fast. Yeah, let's get to meal 1. By the way, the macros that we're aiming for today are 1,960 calories split up to 200 grams of carbs, 200 grams of protein, and 40 grams of fat. Right, now let's show you meal 1. Okay then, meal 1 and pre-workout meal is 60 grams of oats, 12 grams of jam, 10 grams of almond butter, and a Grenade carb killer bar. I'm gonna have this pre-gym to which is slightly higher in carbs, give me a good spike for the workout, and also slightly higher in fats. Actually, it's a nice, well-balanced meal. And what I do guys, I plan my food for the day. So I've already pretty much planned out my whole day's food, so I know exactly what I'm eating and when. I just find it makes the day a lot easier, and when you're getting in from work or in from the gym, you're not scrambling for food ideas. But this is one of my favourite meals of the day. Okay, another thing when it comes down to dieting is training. I like to spend as long as I can in the gym, because when you're training, obviously you're focusing on your workout and your cardio, and you're not thinking about food. And obviously when I'm at home, in between sessions like PT and in between gym, it's easy to be thinking about food a lot and yeah, eat. So make your workouts as long as possible. So I've already done 45 minutes of cardio this morning, fasted. I'll now go and hit a push workout and do 15 more minutes to round up the hour. So it should be good. This workout should take me about an hour and a half all in, and then we'll come back and get my second proper meal in. Meal number dos. 5 egg whites, 4 bits of turkey bacon, 35 grams of Eat Lean cheese with a low carb bread, and a little bit of Marmite. Marmite on your eggs, by the way, guys. Absolutely legit. That was a good workout. Good push session. I didn't film anything because I'm going to film some of my pool session tomorrow. Right? Macros will be on the screen. To be fair, this is normally my lower carb meal. So normally I have 1 low carb meal a day. Today I managed to fit this bit of bread with the cheese in it because I fasted for so long this morning. Just for your information, guys, watch a bit of CG. That's not what I was going to tell you about. This Eat Lean cheese is very decent. Doesn't melt very well, but the macros are incredible. And you can put it on your protein pizza, your toast, stuff like that. Adds a lot of protein. Eat Lean cheese, pick it up in Tesco's. I only get it when it's half price now. Gymshark's summer sale is about to go down. I don't know if it's a new thing, but yeah, I've just turned on my phone and it's going to go down in 1 minute, so I think I'm going to go on, check it out, see if I can pick up anything decent. I fancy a few new stringers. Nothing too much though, because my clothes are just getting a bit out of hand. Let's see how we do. Trying to pick up on a Gymshark launch is always chaos. Like, if it's like their Black Friday, it's going to be carnage. And we took the L. It is what it is. To be fair, I didn't really want anything massively. I just like to check out the sale, and then you put things in your cart, you think you're gonna get them, and they sell out while they're in your cart, which is what it is. I understand that. Wow, how Gymshark have created such a hype like that is incredible. So, no Gymshark haul coming up, but we'll carry on with a full day of eating. Okay, while we're in between meals, let's go through our in-body results. This is going to be brilliant because exactly 3 months ago today, I was 84.7 kilos. This morning, I was 73.9. That is a weight loss total of 10.9 kilos. So 10.9 kilos down in 3 months. Let me just say, guys, with the approach that I've had this year of really trying my hardest to balance fitness and lifestyle and doing some fucking epic things, and being on the booze a decent amount and enjoying life, I'm still really happy with my weight loss journey, and it doesn't really put in perspective until you see sort of results like this. So I am really happy with these results. We've got 1 month to kill it, but let's get back to the results. On 3 months ago today, my body muscle SMM, or skeletal muscle mass, was 40.1. Today it was 38.4. Now it's been at 38 point something for the last 2.5 months. So we had a little drop in May, and since April, and then it's been in the 38 point something for a decent amount of time, but we dropped a little bit of muscle. I know that, and being conscious of that, today I've made sure I did a strength element for shoulders and a strength element for chest, and I'm going to do the same when I do my pull session tomorrow. I'm going to do a strength element for lat and a strength element for row. It just gets easy to avoid those when you get deeper into a cut, so I'm going to try not to do that from now on. Body fat percentage was 9% flat today, so 0.8 down from a few weeks ago, and that's come down from 17.1, so that is down 8.1% in 3 months. Very happy with these results today, and I'm actually going to show up my day 1 condition versus now. So the condition is slowly coming in. That is 3 months of dieting. That was my whole summer shredding last year, because I only did 3 months last year. Not as good as last year's summer shredding condition, but we've got 1 month to bring it in, and that is the game plan. So in-body machine, we're keeping it consistent, we're keeping the weigh-ins fasted as well, so happy with those results. I will see you for the next meal. Okay, so as I head out the door to PT, I'm a very simple man. I eat simple food. Sweet potato, chicken and veg, portion sizes and macros on screen. At work, as I'm at work for 5 hours straight, we're going to have a Arla protein yogurt, and when I get in, that still leaves me a decent amount of macros, so I'll see you when we get in. Good morning, guys, welcome to day 2 of the vlog. Last night's macros, we finished off with 50 grams of cornflakes, and we had a 40 gram protein mug cake just with milk. Obviously I don't actually track the milks. This morning's weigh was a little bit heavier than I'd like. It was 74.2, but the weight is fluctuating. It will always do that. It's not always going to constantly go down, and I'm going to actually show you a really interesting chart from the Happy Scales app that I use to track my weight. But that will be after, so we're about to go and hit a pull workout. Before we go and hit this pull workout, I just want to say, I've already done fasted cardio this morning. I've done 700 calories. I set it to my body weight this morning for the first time, which is interesting. So 45 minutes, 700 calories. That was very good. We're fasted currently, and it is, what is it? 11:51. Good fasting from me, and we're going to have a breakfast with a protein bar. So today I'm going to try lower carbs. I fluctuate between higher and lower carbs just quite a lot, just to try and play around and see how the weight fluctuates. So I want to drop it down a little bit, so that's why we fasted for longer today. This protein bar, Josh. let's round up this video by talking about how my weight loss has changed as I've got deeper into the cut. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up something on screen, which is what I'm seeing on here. Here we go. Right, so as you can see there, that's just a log of the weights, constantly weighing myself. I think I've only missed the weigh-in like 3 times, and that was like body power weekend, and then when I was away this week for the wedding. So you can see there my start weight was 84.7, and we're now at, well, my low was 73.7, but this morning's weight was 74.2. Now, if we go on to reports, it gives us a monthly report, which is perfect because it shows us how much we're losing per month. Now, month 1, March, our first month, we were down 4.9 kilos, down 4.4 kilos in 27 days. Okay, April, down 3.4 kilos in 30 days. May, down 2.5 kilos in 31 days. And June, obviously, we just started. So you can see that the weight loss has decreased every month as it's got harder, as we've dieted down for longer. So weight loss is slowing down. That's obviously to be expected. Don't panic. Weight will fluctuate. Just make sure that, well, first of all, down this axis, that's brilliant. And then just track it, and then you can see if you need to be changing your food intake, because obviously as you're dropping weight, your intake will change, your maintenance calorie will change, everything will change. With that being said, I'm going to round up this full day of eating video. If you have enjoyed it, please smash the like button, subscribe if you're not from around here and you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you for the next video. We are 3 weeks out, people. Let's smash it out.